Everybody, as you can see, it's raining in Pasir Ris. And if you realize, right, it's actually flooding. Yeah. Let me show you some parts. Okay, not really flooding over there. So Melvin, do you like the rain?
Everybody, Jillian just retarded. She just want to try out the video function in the new camera, so just ignore her, alright?
No, everybody, okay, wait.
I'm just so excited lah, okay?
Wait, I want to show everybody the flooding.
5,000.
Oh! Check that out, everyone, check that out. Alright, Singapore, the flooding Okay, can you see this? Okay, actually it's not really flooding. Okay, can we go now? The person holding the umbrella.
Just retarded lah, okay? You're very excited, is it?
Yeah, very. Hey, let's go, hurry! Let's go, hey. Hurry up, let's go.
Go as quickly as you can,
Okay. Let's go. Hey. Your 3-person hurry for umbrella. So yeah, everybody, here's Singapore flooding. Actually not really flooding
It's just Jillian's way of saying it's raining.
Well, it's outside, I hate raining. Okay, bye guys, say bye. Bye guys.
Whatever, I'm going to delete this